To another Zenler FBH. So Katrina has asked a question here, so I'm kind of a little bit confused, but I'll try and work it out. So like she's put, I've created a lead magnet in the form of a video tutorial on YouTube. Then she goes on to say I've created a landing page on GrooveFunnels, but I haven't published it yet as I don't have a domain. So I've set up email marketing on ActiveCampaign, generating leads, haven't begun generating leads. My question is, can I put all this together on Zenler? Yes, I've answered this. You can use video funnels, lead magnets, the automations inside Zenler, as well as list building, tags, and you can use you can create your own landing pages if you want to. Of course, you've got blog pages as well you can create. So all of that can be done inside Zenler. Now, all of it. Now, I'm not saying like not every instructor wants to use all of the default tools on Zenler if they don't want to. Personally, I do, but there's a lot of people that use ActiveCampaign, Thrivecart, probably use GrooveFunnels, and they put it all together and make it all work with Zenler. So the answer to your question is yes, you can do it all on Zenler. And if you're just starting off, you might just want to take that simpler approach. You know, we at Zenler, we have made this course creation. It's also a marketing platform as well. This is the big draw to Zenler, because we have all these tools built in to save you having to set up subscriptions on any other platform. And we're only getting better with this stuff as well. So we can handle all of that stuff that you've mentioned. Like I said, it's specific to what you want to achieve, because obviously ActiveCampaign is just, that's all it does. It just runs and does your campaigns, just like MailChimp or Mooseend or any of the others. They have their own kind of automations and things. And we've got automations that all work. They're advanced enough, I think, for my use, but other people like to use other programs as well. So I just thought I'd put this out there to you, that you can do it all in Zenler. You might want to start simply before you start jumping into all of these different apps and having to learn them all. It's best that you see, or you have a goal, what you're trying to achieve. If you're just trying to achieve getting leads into your site and tagging them up, putting them into email lists, and that's all you want to do, and maybe automate emails to go out to them, send email broadcasts and all that, if that's all you want to do, you can do all of that inside Zenler, and you don't really need anything else. But depending on how complex you want to get to with it is dependent on whether you want to use a different app or not. And if you don't know anything about those apps at this moment in time, then you probably could just stick with Zenler, and as you learn more, you can then go across. As far as importing your users, if you've got any in ActiveCampaign, yes, you can import users in CSV format straight into Zenler. You can also export out of Zenler, and you could import into another application as well. So it's very cross compatible. So hopefully that answers your question, Katrina. Can't really show you any demos because all of working with any of the mail or creating funnels or those sort of things, it's all in the NZ masterclass. So it's all in there under the complete guide to Zenler. If you're just starting off, make sure you take the quick start guide, which is also in the NZ masterclass, and that's at tutorials.newzenler.com. Okay, Katrina, so hopefully that's answered your question.